Hi everyone. Apple has been released a new operating system Ventura 13.0. It has been rolled out on all the compatible devices. You can update this new operating system from the update section. In this particular video, we're gonna discuss about the new features, new security updates which are available. Make sure you subscribe the channel and let's start the video. These are the list of compatible devices. It's available on iMac, iMac Pro, MacBook Pro, and MacBook 2017 and later devices. MacBook Air and Mac Mini 2018 and later will be compatible. Latest Mac Studio will be compatible and Mac Pro 2019 and later. A major update is related to the information of about this Mac. जब आप ओपन करोगे इस सेक्शन को यू कैन सी अ डिफरेंट इंटरफेस नाउ एक पूरा कंप्लीट डिफरेंट विंडो है इसमें फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस वन जो आपका पुराना ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम था उससे यहाँ पे ज़्यादा चेंज नहीं है यू कैन सी द डिटेल इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ सिंगल विंडो वेयर प्रोसेसर ग्राफिक्स मेमोरी disk serial number and operating system info will be available. If you want any additional information then you can go and click on more info. ये आपको एक नए सेक्शन में लेके जाएगा यहाँ में आप सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन देख सकते हो एडिशनली अगर सिस्टम रिपोर्ट एक्सेस करना है वो सबसे नीचे स्क्रॉल करोगे तो सिस्टम रिपोर्ट विल बी अवेलेबल नेक्स्ट वन इज सिस्टम प्रेफरेंसेस इज रिप्लेस्ड विद सिस्टम सेटिंग्स नाउ सो जब आप इस पर क्लिक करते हो यहाँ पे प्रेफरेंसेस की बजाय दैट हैज़ बीन रिप्लेस्ड एज अ सिस्टम सेटिंग्स इसका भी इंटरफेस काफ़ी चेंज है पहले से मैक्सिमम टैब्स यू कैन सी इन द लेफ्ट साइड और उसके जो सब टैब्स हैं और सब ऑप्शंस हैं दैट यू कैन सी ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द विंडो अगर आप बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट स्पॉटलाइट यूज़ करते हो तो ये फीचर आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगा सो द न्यू थिंग अगर आपको यहाँ पे कुछ भी ऑप्शन आप सर्च करते हो दैट विल बी सर्च फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर ऑन योर मशीन और उसके साथ साथ सजेशन जैसे इंटरनेट पे जो भी अवेलेबल है फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर सर्च दैट विल बी अपीयर इन द स्पॉटलाइट सर्च और इसके अलावा अगर आपको यहाँ से कुछ एप्लीकेशन एक्सेस करनी है फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव टाइप्ड हियर आई एम सर्चिंग फॉर अलार्म राइट सो हियर द ऑप्शन इज आई कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द क्रिएट अलार्म एंड क्रिएट अलार्म फॉर मी so that is something which is quick and you can use this very effectively. Additionally, you can change the settings of the spotlight. Go to the system setting. Under the setting, when you see Siri and Spotlight, click on it. In the section of Spotlight, you can see different search results, which is related to the different categories. If you want to disable them, you can go ahead and do that. So next feature is again something interesting that is related to the iMessage. In this particular update, आप जब भी iMessage किसी को करते हो you can edit it or you can delete that particular message. For example, I'm sending this message to one of my recipients. If I want to change it, I can edit, right click on it and then edit it and I'll make it correct. Right, so your message is edited and the updated message is delivered to the particular recipient. Additionally, you can delete this message as well. Just right click and delete this message. This will be deleted from both sides. Next update is again interesting one. If you want to copy anything from any YouTube video, you can do it here. Let me open the YouTube. You can see some of useful information is there which I want to copy. I'll maximize the video, right? And I'll directly go and copy the stuff from here. For example, the video is running now. You can see here. I'll go ahead and select any text from the video, right click on it and directly I will look up, translate and search from here. Let's try a copy as of now, right? And I'll paste it in the spotlight. So here you can see this is working. This is quite interesting. If you want to copy anything from any video, any particular stuff which is required and you want to save it, you can copy from the video itself related to the stage manager. That's quite good option which I have seen. I'm using this new update from last 2 3 days. So you can minimize the tab in left side of your screen. Um Let me go ahead and open some tabs here. Whenever I minimize it, it will go to the left side of your window and you can immediately switch the tabs or switch the windows from here. If you want to disable or enable this option, you can go to the control center and you can click on stage manager. It will be disabled, and you can enable it. Just click on it, it will be enabled again. Feature is quite impressive because it's related to the security. अपने account के अंदर we go to iCloud. You can see a new option which is hide my email. This is something important, and you can utilize this option, enable this if that is not enabled by default. This particular option will help you to hide your email ID from the third party apps. तो Apple एक dummy Apple ID बना के देगा that will be generated and register on the third party app, and that email will forward to the your actual email ID. So third party apps में आपका dummy ID रहेगा which your actual ID will be not displayed to those apps. One is interesting. So notes privacy has been improved in this update. We will test it here. Let's create one node. Name would be testing. All right. So I have created a new node. So interesting part is in this update that we can lock it with the password. All right. So this is showing as open now. Let's lock it. So I can't see the content now. If I want to see content, then I have to enter my credentials of this computer. You can see it. So this is something, a new feature which is added in Notes. These are some important updates of new Ventura operating system. Please comment your favorite one and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.